So let's look at the part 3. Part 3, we have got you're told that the the region R is bounded by C1 and C2 is R. Find the exact volume of solid obtained when R is rotated through 2 pi radians about the x-axis. So that's alright. So the first thing is this part here. We are looking at this is our R, right? So this is R here. In other words, you want it to be the area, the volume, exact volume, right? So you take, because you're projecting this curve here onto the x-axis, right? Okay, so this part here, what we're going to do is we're going to take the top curve here, rotate it, right, and then minus off the bottom curve here and rotate it. So to visualize this, if you could, let's look at how we visualize this. Okay, so I'm just using SketchUp to sketch and model this out. So basically this area here, what you need to do is you just need to revolve about it. So if you can visualize this area here, what we actually are we are doing is actually we just take this area and revolve about the x-axis. Okay, and you realize that actually what you need to do is taking the bigger area, the area under this this volume here, minus off the one inside. All right, so that's the case there. So just take note now. So this is what you actually want. Okay, I hope you can visualize that. So this part here, the volume required, this is part 3, right? Part 3, volume required, the required volume will just be, you have got, this is minus 3, right? And this is actually 0. So you take from minus 3 to 0, and you take this curve here, this equation here. This equation here is where y is 0. So remember, this is the equation that you're using, which is actually a negative one. So this is minus. So y, I'm just going to let this be y by 1. So pi y1 square minus y2 square dx. Revolve about it. Okay, so that's about it. So once we're gonna do that, we're gonna be, what do they want? They want the exact volume, right? So this is okay. Minus 3, 0. y1 will be 25, negative 25. 25 minus x squared, and we'll square this. So actually it's just square 25 minus x. So this would be x plus 3 plus 24 x minus 3 square dx. Okay, so this part is alright. So what you're gonna do is actually just expand it lah. So this is 25 minus x square, and you have got this would be x plus 3 square plus 2 times x plus 3, 24 over x minus 3 plus 24 square over x minus 3 square, as such. Just expand it, okay, slowly. Since you need the exact value, so I think the correct way is to just slowly expand and see what you get from this expression here. Okay, see, let's look at that. So I'm just gonna leave as simple as possible. So this is 3, 0, 25. I'm just doing it very slowly so that I won't get any mistake there. So this is 2 times 24 would be 2 times 24 is 48. So 48. This is x plus 3, x minus 3. This would need to do a long division. Okay, you need to do long division for this. So this is 1. Then after that you have got minus 24 square. I'm just leaving it as square because I do not want to deal with a very big number. So the only problem now is the middle one, which you need to do a long division, or you could just use a juggling method, which is actually x minus 3 plus 3 plus 3 3. This this is 1 plus 6x minus 3. Okay. Long division or just juggling. So so this part here, once you're done, you could do it. So this is pi. I'm just gonna do this, integrate it, maybe alright, so I'm just gonna, this is 25x minus x cubed over 3 minus x plus 3 cubed over 3 minus 48. So I'm going to integrate this one here. So it's x plus ln 6x minus 3. Okay, and then minus 24 square x minus 3 minus 1 over minus 1. So everything is integrated. Everything 0 to minus 3 to 0. Alright, then just slowly expand it. When it's 0, I think it's pretty okay. When it's 0, everything will just be 0. So except for the ln, just take note of the ln. Ln negative 3, 0, or and this as well. So 0 minus 48. The whole thing here is 0, so 48 0 plus 6 ln 3 plus 24 square minus 3 minus 1. This is 1. Okay, so then what I need is actually, maybe I just minus off minus 3 and just key calculator. I think key calculator is okay. Minus 3 minus 3, yeah, I'm just gonna key calculator. Okay, so this is what I get from keying calculator. Then I think we'll just simplify it. Okay, so slowly but surely, let's simplify this. So once simplified, I think you should be fine. You'll be able to get this expression here, and slowly minus 192 plus 18 4. I realize I missed out something. So this part here is this is not 0, so this would be actually minus 3 square 3 cube minus 3 cube over 3. Right, so that will be minus 9. This will then be pi minus 288 ln 3 plus 288 ln 6. You could factorize this. This would be minus 183. Okay, so I think this is pi ln 6 minus ln 3, which is actually ln 2 lah, 6 divided by 2. Okay, so this will be pi cube units. Right, so that's how we do this part here. Yeah,